Okay, so here we will put our numbers in. So A is 1, B is -9, C is -10. Put in your formula. Minus -9 plus or minus -9 squared minus 4 times 1 times -10 on 2 times 1. So 9 plus or minus 81 plus 40. 1, 2, 9 plus or minus 121 on 2. Therefore, you'll have 9 plus or minus 11 on 2. So 9 plus 11 on 2. 9 minus 11 on 2. That's 9 there. So that will give you 10, and minus 2 on 2, which is -1. So that's how you get the solution for the question 1. So for this question, we'll write our formula. So you should be writing your formula, minus b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, all on 2a, minus -3 plus or minus the square root of -3 squared. So remember to keep this number in a bracket, minus 4ac, all on 2a. So we get 3 plus or minus -3 squared is 9, minus 2 4s are 8, times 1 is 8, on 2a, 2 2s are 4. So it should have been 2 there. So 3 plus or minus square root 1 on 4. So square root 1 is 1. So 3 plus 1 on 4. 3 minus 1 on 4. You'll get 1. You'll get 2 on 4. And that's a half. So those are your 2 solutions for that question. Okay, so the first thing to do again, write your formula. Okay, and then we just substitute our numbers. So A is 25, B minus 30, C is 9. So minus -30 plus or minus the square root, -30 squared, minus 4 times 25 times 9, all on 2a, 2 times 25. So you'll get x equals 30 plus or minus 900, and 4 times 25 times 9 is 900. So minus 900, and that will be 50. 900 minus 900 is 0. So that's essentially cancelled. So you're only going to get one solution for x. So that's going to be 30 on 50, which is 3 on 5, which is 0.6. Okay, either one is okay. So that's your answer for that one. So 2x squared. Now these numbers should be brought to the other side. So minus 3x minus 5 equals 0. So let's just put them into your formula. X is minus b minus -3 plus or minus the square root of b squared. Now that's minus 3 squared minus 4 times A times C, all on 2A. Okay, so that's going to be 3 plus or minus the square root of minus 3 squared is 9. 4 2s are 8, 5 8s are 40, plus 40. So you get 4. 9 plus 40, that's 49. So 3 plus or minus root 49 on 4. 3 plus or minus root 49 is 7. 7 on 4. So 3 plus 7 on 4, and also 3 minus 7 on 4. So 10 on 4 and minus 4 on 4. So you'll get 5 on 2 and minus 1 as the solution for that problem there. So let's try putting the numbers in. So we have x equals minus b minus -3 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is minus 3 squared, minus 4 times a, which is 1, times c, which is 20, on 2a. Okay, so we'll have 3 plus or minus 3 squared is 9, and you're going to end up with 4 times 20 minus 80. So you can see already we can't get a solution because this number here is negative. Okay, so you'll end up with 3 plus or minus -71 on 2. So this is no real solution. As the answer for that one here. So in this question, you have denominator 2 and 4, which you don't want denominators, and you can't cross multiply because you have a -1 sitting here. You could do, but you would have to make this 4 on 4 and then combine this, but we won't do that for now. So multiply everything by 4. So 4 here, 4 here, and 4 here. So 2 into 4 is 2. 1 minus x equals 4. We'll cancel the 4 to give you x squared plus 2. And minus 4. So we just expand this here. So 2 minus 2x equals x squared minus 2. So I would make this x squared plus 2x minus 4 equals 0. So I brought these to the other side here. So then we just use our quadratic formula. So we'll have x is minus b, so minus 2, plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 ac, all on 2a, so 2 times 1. So then we'll get minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 plus 16 on 2. So that would be minus 2 plus or minus square root 20 on 2. Now, you can put that into your calculator, but root 20 can be written as root 4 times root 5, which is root 20, and root 4 is 2. So we'll have minus 2 plus or minus 2 root 5 on 2. That could be simplified because this is a common denominator. So you'll end up with minus 1 plus or minus root 5. That's in third form. Okay, notice the common denominator cancels both parts. It must cancel both. Okay, and then you'll end up with your minus 3.24 and 1.24 for the final answer.